After a long day of teaching, I was scrolling through my phone, was going through social media, and then suddenly I received this email notification. And then I received this email and it stated urgent warning regarding a recent video. So me looking at this naturally, I was confused thinking, I wonder what it's about. And it read, "Hi, we have noticed a rather unexpected trend regarding your YouTube channel. It seems your videos are having an unprecedented impact and helping thousands of students." So I received this email recently, and I was confused. I was thinking, what could it be? What is it? And I wanted to investigate further, so I decided to open the email and see what it was really about. And I decided to open the email, and this is what the email said. "Hi, we have noticed a rather unexpected trend regarding your YouTube channel. It seems your videos are having an unprecedented impact and helping thousands of students. Your recent videos have been cited by students as revolutionary in their exam preparation. We appreciate your efforts, but we must ask you to consider the potential consequences of helping everyone pass their exams. We encourage you to continue providing resources for students, but perhaps with a slightly less effective approach. And at the bottom, kind regards, exam board." So this is something that I received, and it's just a reminder that please be mindful, please be careful, please be cautious, because unfortunately our videos have helped thousands of students achieve amazing results in their GCSE exams, helping students achieve grade 7s, 8s and 9s. So if you are interested, do make sure you subscribe, do make sure you share our channel, and if you really want to achieve the best results, do consider joining our online classes at Easy Education London, and we can help you prepare well for your exams, go over model answers, provide you with constructive feedback, work on time management, look at predicted papers, provide you with cheat sheets, and much, much more. So that is it for today's video. Thank you all for the continuous support. I do highly appreciate it. Do give us a follow, subscribe, like and share. And if you did watch until the end, please comment "Road to 10K." Thank you very much, and I shall see you very soon. Bye-bye.